To accept contracts in Farming Simulator 25, first we'll need to click on the Escape button to go to our map menu. Then we can select the contract right here with this button. Now you will see multiple different randomly generated contracts that you can try to complete. And when you click on one of them, you will see the contract information, exactly what you need to do. There's a map with the highlight where you need to go and your contract reward. There's also a machine that you will need to use to complete that contract, and if you don't have it, you can rent that machine, but this will cut the payment from the contract. So if you use a machine that is assigned to the contract, you will get 850. If you use your own machine, you'll get the entire contract reward. Now when you're ready, click on accept contract and you'll be able to perform it.